Welcome to the TBM walkthrough. This walkthrough consists of 11 different scenes. Have a good look around in all the scenes to check out the activities taking place in the different locations. You're currently in the pit bottom. The pit bottom here is the logistics hub for all the materials entering and leaving the tunnel, as well as the point of access for personnel into the tunnel. Several operations are carried out in this area, including loading segments onto the locomotive segment bogies and a variety of other lifting operations. Here you can see the locomotive being shunted into position to complete the segment loading operation. When you look up, you can see the yellow gantry crane moving overhead and into position to pick up the final bundles of segments to lower and load onto the third segment bogie. You will see the locomotive is travelling into the back shunt, a short section of tunnel that has been created in the shaft on the opposite side to the main tunnel. This allows loading and unloading of the various plant and equipment required for the tunnelling operations to take place onto the rolling stock being pulled by the tunnel locomotive. Note the personnel around the pit bottom control cabin. The two operatives seen here with orange helmets manage loco movements and lifting operations in the shaft and pit bottom and ensure other personnel are kept away from hazardous activities. Suspended loads and plant movements are the key hazards in this area that need to be managed and controlled. Be sure to get permission from the pit bottom personnel when accessing any controlled access areas in the pit bottom. Additional safety controls at the pit bottom include a shaft alarm to warn when lifting operations are about to take place and to ensure that nobody is in the area. There is a designated walkway that pedestrians must follow to gain access to the tunnel and stay safe whilst doing so. Radio communication is used to manage both lifting operations and locomotive movements using two separate radio channels.